Hello, I'm Rachel from Douentza Garden in Ireland, and today I want to introduce you to 3 gorgeous white flowering plants. Now, white is a fantastic colour as summer draws to a close because it contrasts so markedly against the browns, oranges and yellows of autumn and just adds a vibrant freshness. My first late flowering perennial is the Japanese anemone. Japanese anemones come in shades of white and pink, but some of the old varieties like the snowy white Honorine Jobert or Whirlwind have got to be the best. They produce beautiful single or double flowers atop tall stems. Japanese anemones are often used in large plantings because they're so reliable and so low maintenance. They tolerate sun or partial shade, flower into autumn and never need staking. Grow in any good garden soil but avoid excessive winter wet. They're vigorous too and will spread rapidly, so make sure you allow them the space. The white flowers of Honorine Jobert or Whirlwind really look wonderful in a large shady area where they really brighten up the space. Japanese anemones are suitable for US hardiness zones 4 to 8. Next up we have a plant whose foliage is just as pretty as its small late flowers. This plant is Anaphalis and it is one of the gems of late summer. Anaphalis produces white woolly stems and greyish silver leaves which are topped with clusters of small everlasting flowers in late summer. The flowers dry naturally on the plant, providing interest right into winter. Grow Anaphalis in any moderately fertile, moist but well-drained soil in full sun. It can also tolerate partial shade. This plant is low maintenance and disease and pest free and looks great at the front of a border. It's suitable for US zones 3 to 9. My final white perennial for today is Phlox David. This is an award-winning garden phlox and one that you're sure to want at the back of your borders. David bears pure white scented flowers in densely arranged pyramidal clusters atop stout stems. Leaves are lance-shaped. The plant seldom needs staking, flowers in profusion and is mildew resistant. Mildew is often a problem with phlox. Grow in full sun or light shade in fertile, moist soil. Phlox David is suitable for zones 4 to 8. So, whether you're planting a white garden or just looking for a shiny addition to a mixed border, why not try the David garden phlox, the Anaphalis or the Japanese anemone? Happy growing!